Hey foodies, this is Aisha and I welcome you to my channel. Egg bhurji is the Indian twist to scrambled eggs. Packed with the right amount of flavor and spice, these delicious scrambled eggs are perfect for any meal of the day. Have a look at the ingredients. To begin with, break the eggs and add it to a bowl. Whisk them well, adding salt as required. Whisk again and set aside. Heat a pan over medium heat and add butter. Once it's nice and hot, add onions. Saute until the onions turns translucent. A pinch of salt will make it faster. Soon you will see how it changes color. This is the time when you add the green chilies. I don't like adding a lot of veggies to my scrambled eggs. But you can go ahead and add bell pepper, carrots or beans if you like to. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw flavor goes away. Add tomatoes and mix well. After a minute, you can add the red chili powder and salt. Fry for a couple of minutes until the tomatoes break down slightly. If you don't want it very spicy, you can skip either one of them, green chilies or the red chili powder. Finally, add the bowl of eggs. As soon as you add the eggs, start stirring it gently. Continue doing this until the eggs are scrambled well. You can decide the consistency of your scrambled eggs. If you want to keep the eggs soft, cook the eggs just until set. Or if you would like to make it perfectly cooked, then cook it a little longer. I like mine to be well cooked, so I'm gonna cook it a little longer. I simply love the fact that this scrambled egg recipe can be enjoyed as any meal of the day. Enjoy it as a breakfast, lunch or dinner. It goes very well with any of them. Dried fenugreek leaves adds to the flavor. Crush them before adding. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Always add it at the end to preserve the fresh flavor and bright green color. I usually prefer making this recipe whenever I am short on time, as you can see how quick it is. Or if I don't have enough vegetables in my refrigerator. A very simple, easy to make, high in protein breakfast is right here. Have it along with flatbread or white bread. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. See you soon!